Welcome to thismomentisgood.com's color series. Today we're going to make short video clips on how to do the different types of color work. So please keep checking back for more videos. Today it's about vertical color. How do you join two colors in large blocks on your loom? Alright, if you're working vertically like you would for those rabbit ears, this is what it would look like. You'd have white on one side and you'd have purple or pink or whichever color they say on the opposite side. Okay, how do you actually do that? Well, you lay your color in just like you were making a stripe. You knit the number of pegs it tells you to. Well, it's also going to tell you to twist your two colors together whenever they meet. Okay, how do you do that? Well, just like a bread tie, you take your one color, walk it around the other, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Just like a bread tie, but you're only going to twist one time, and then you will start knitting back the opposite way. You will knit the number of pegs it tells you on the opposite side. They will meet again. When they meet again, every time they meet, you will twist them together. Pretend I knit those rows. This is for speed. The reason you're doing that is to create a seamless knitted piece. See how they come together and you can't even tell where they joined, because they are technically knitting together as you're twisting those two colors. That's all there is to it. It's that simple. It joins the two colors as you're knitting, and you have one fabulous looking piece with two separate colors going up vertically. You can use it on a hat. Say for the Super Bowl, you wanted to make a Patriots side and a Eagles side. In 2018, you can make that kind of hat. Thank you. Have a great day.